For me once, and won't get into the account, but you know which one I'm talking about. Where I said, "Hey, can you check this out for me? I just want to make sure that we can promote this thing." And we had 110,000 followers. He
Yeah.
came back and you'd say, "Shut it down." I said, "What are you talking about?"
Yeah.
And the thing was, I left this up to a social media. It wasn't Shopify or it was social media, and I left it up to a team that I had hired. What I didn't realize and what I didn't look at were the insights. And what was it, like 99% were just cheap follows from overseas, which would just it would be horrible for engagement. And you just said, "What are you doing? Why did you do this?" And you,
Yeah.
yeah, you were. If you could have reached through the Skype meeting, yeah, I think you would have slapped me around. But
That's one of the biggest mistakes people make is that they look at the number of likes. Facebook doesn't care about your likes; they care about your engagement.
yeah,
I'd rather have one like and 1,000 people talking about me because they don't have to like me to talk about me, and that's so much more important. We have clients that we have 1,500% engagement rate, and when I have to compete to, let's say, two competitors, and they are having normally they're around 5 to 6% engagement rate, I will always kick their butt, and that's because Facebook sees that I actually provide value. And there he is again with that word. But if I have something that people talk about because it's funny, it's entertaining, it's problem solving, it's something that people really have something to do with, then yeah, my post will always be favored. And yeah, that's the number one. We don't go for likes, we go for engagement. And yeah, one thing again, it's good and bad news. Good news is anyone can do it. The bad news is it's a lot of work. If someone likes our post, we say, can you like our page? We actually invite them to like our page. Never use any automation tools out there because it will get you penalized. Facebook doesn't hate, they hate automation. If someone shares our content, we actually go in and say, let's say, hey, Norm, you like my post? Hey, Norm, you're awesome because you shared our post. And what happens, normally you give an answer back and say, oh, yes, thank you very much. But the all-seeing eye, the algorithm, they see that we really care for our clients. And that's so important because you want to do the extra step, the extra mile. You want to have a community of loyal followers. And the only way to get them loyal is to thank them for what you do here as well with Dr. Kos. You invite, you say, hey, awesome that you are here, Dr. Kos. That's what people want to see. And that's why they keep showing up, because they like what you're doing. Of course, you need to provide value again. If we just talk about Butterfingers here for the next hour, it's an amazing product, but people will skip. They want to know what's actually useful for me, and yeah, that's what you always need to do. And yeah, that's a takeaway for today.
Butterfingers is a nutritional snack.